Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend. Those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is an electric toothbrush. Pretty straightforward. It is by a company called BluReeze. This is the box it comes in. This particular model is the the M8 Pro. I will include a link that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. But once you open it up, you are going to get the electric toothbrush itself. Now it's going to come with 8 heads that are manufactured by DuPont. I've kept these all in the little packaging just because I don't want them to get dirty. But yeah, so each head comes individually sealed, and you get lots of them. So it'll take a while for you to run out. Now, I did not see refill kits for this. Honestly, I didn't look that hard for them. But 8 will last you quite some time, and by then maybe you'll be needing a new base anyways. But that is something worth noting. You're also going to get a USB Type-C charging cable, which they do not include a brick, but that's how you charge it. And then you're going to get this little traveling case where it fits like so. Put it in here, and then you can bring it with 2 brush heads. It's actually folds that way. So that is how it stores, and then you can put a second brush head there if you so desire, which is nice. And then it has little holes here also, so that way air gets in there and allows it to dry, so you don't get like mold and mildew and all that kind of stuff, which is nice. And then you also can get a little instruction booklet in case you want to go over all the details. But we're going to go over those right now so you can see how it works. So in addition to the 8 heads, like you saw, it's pretty easy to put on. You just pull it out, and then there's a little kind of indent here, and you just push it in, and then you're good to go. On the bottom here there's a little thing to put your nail in, and then this pops out, and then that's how you charge it. Now it has takes a while to charge. If it's completely dead, it takes 6 hours to charge, but those 6 hours will get you about 180 days. Now I have not specifically tested that because that's a lot of days, and I don't have that kind of patience, but it gives you 180 days if you use it twice a day. So that's a lot of battery life, which is really important to me in a automatic toothbrush. That's, because I just don't like the ones where you have to plug them in every night. They're kind of inconvenient. As far as the brush itself, it vibrates the brush head here itself. And so when it moves back. It says 40,000 little strokes in a 1-minute time frame. It also has an IPX7 waterproof rating, so if you are one of those that like to brush your teeth in the shower, you can do that. It can go in the shower. Now, I've never tested that because I don't brush my teeth in the shower, but that is an option for you. And then a couple of cool features. It has a 2-minute timer, so helps you with making sure you do a good job brushing your teeth. There's a 2-minute timer, and then every 30 seconds it pulsates to let you know maybe to move on a different quadrant of your mouth. So you can start and kind of work your way around your mouth, and it helps you with that. Now, on the front here, you've got the power button. So it'll turn it on. And it's pretty quiet in all giving things, and you can kind of, I don't know if you can see that there. But yeah, so you have just regular clean mode. That is the mode I use. I don't really use these other modes, but it has some other options. So if you want to go to the next mode, that's sensitive. Then you got whitening. And then you got a massaging mode. And then down here, as you can see, you've got a green light that's kind of indicating the battery that it's running. So like I said, I use the clean mode, which is in the middle. The sensitive brings down the power a little bit. The whitening pushes the power up a little bit. And then the massaging is just a pulsating sensation. Side tip of automatic toothbrushes. They're also great for cleaning. You know, sometimes with Grout in the shower, the vibrating is so much that if you put it like on the Whiten and get some of those, you know, the Grout cleaning chemicals, it's really great in breaking that up. So that is an alternative use to automatic toothbrush cleaners, if a little kind of side tip there. But yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. If you like automatic toothbrushes, it's totally worth checking out. I'll include a link in the description. That will take you to Amazon, like I said, and you can see at the current price point, see if it's on sale, and see if it's a right fit for you. Feel free to hit me up in the comments section if you have any questions. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.